Hey guys, welcome to another video. I've got a pretty fun and exciting video for you guys today. Check it out. We've got the truck tent that I talked to you guys about in the last video. This is what I've been working on with my dad. We even fabricated our own brackets, I'll show you guys, to make this thing fit to my truck. This Kodiak canvas tent is more for full-size trucks. Obviously I have a mid-size truck, so we had to make this thing work for us. Look at all the room in there. There's the brackets that these connect to. I'm super excited to take this thing out. But here is that camper bed that we've been working so hard on. You can see we've added a lot of things to it. We'll check out all that fun stuff here in just a second. Got my sleeping bag up here, a little area for extra gear, food and whatnot, my clothes. Speaking of which, I have merch. I have t-shirts. I have 50 of these t-shirts, guys. That's all the budget that I had. These are Outdoor Taco t-shirts. It's a limited time only thing, like I said. It's got my truck on it, got a taco, got the mountains. I personally drew my truck on here, sketched it out. Super fun, super exciting, guys. This is gonna be so much fun and a fun way to support the channel. I'm thinking I'll be able to do this as like a monthly thing. As the budget grows, I'm sure we'll do more t-shirts. So head over to OutdoorTaco.com, snag your t-shirt while they're in stock. And I really, really appreciate your guys' support. This is gonna help me grow Outdoor Taco as a brand, as a channel, help me get out here to do more things and get more content for you guys. You guys are so awesome. I really appreciate it. Thank you. So checking out our camper bed that I showed you guys in the last video, be sure to jump over to part 1 and check that out. We're going to unlock this bad boy here. Pull it out. This is kind of tough with one arm. It's sort of heavy being made of wood. As I'm pulling it out, I've got this little keeper that's going to unlock the legs down here. This thing is so cool. We bring it out. And boom, just like that. Check that out. That is so cool. Anyway, I geek out about this thing. Again, huge shout out to my dad for helping me build this thing, using all his scraps and his tools and whatnot. Super fun project. We got the countertop right here that we can set stuff in. We've got little storage areas. I got pans in there. We're gonna have like utensils and whatnot in here as like a little kitchen. So you guys can kind of see the vision. We're gonna have our stove right here on top of the counter. Have some cutting boards, cut vegetables and food up here. This is gonna be so cool. So fun. Have storage to put stuff in case I can't fit it in the truck bed. This is going to be so cool. Like I said, this isn't the first time anybody's done this, but this is going to allow me to do a lot of things on all the adventures we're going to go on with this setup. I am just really happy and really excited with how it turned out. This was an awesome DIY thing, throwing the tent on here together, making it work for my truck, building this so I can have solo adventures just in my truck rather than hauling around like a tent, sleeping on the ground or in a cot. It's time for something new. Time to show you guys some fun adventures in this truck. So let me know what you guys think about this setup down in the comments. And if you're excited to see the overnight adventures we take with this thing, I'm pretty excited if you guys can't tell. So let me know what you think down in the comments, what you think about the shirts, what you think about this setup. Again, we're gonna grow this, right? This isn't all this is gonna be. This might change in the future. I'd love to get a bed rack and a truck tent and all that fun stuff that all the overlanding pros get, right? But this is such a cool DIY thing that me and my dad did. What do you guys think? Leave it down in the comments. I've also wanted to show you guys, I've partnered up with Blue Yeti. This is a Blue Yeti power pack. It comes with a solar panel, has all these cool plugins that are gonna allow me to charge up my phone, my laptop, camera batteries, and all that fun stuff that you need when you're YouTubing and going on outdoor adventures with no power, right? So that's gonna be super fun. I'll leave all my affiliate links to all this fun gear that I use when I go camping down in the description below. It's another way you can support the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. But now, after setting everything up, I think it's time to wind down in the chair, have a cold beverage, and just hang out for a couple of hours. I'm not doing an overnight thing tonight. However, that's coming up in the future, so stay tuned. Don't forget to go to OutdoorTaco.com, snag yourself a t-shirt. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are so awesome. You help me get out here and do these kind of things. So if you head over there and snag yourself a t-shirt, I'm genuinely thankful. Thank you for supporting the channel. We'll see you guys in the next one.